Hey, so I'm coming at you with a lunch idea. Salads are one of my favorite things in the summertime. It's just the freshness, the crunch, the cold, all of that. So this meal is kind of a common meal for me, and it kind of depends on which day I'm on, if I'm on a training day or a rest day. Today is my rest day, so it is a little bit lower in carbs for this meal. So when I have a lower carb meal, I really like to do salads, at least, like I said, in the summer. Otherwise, the egg roll in a bowl is a really close second. That one actually takes first place if it's winter time. But so what I have here, I just chopped up some romaine lettuce and spinach. That was super simple. If you want to make it even easier, buy the bagged stuff. I've got a few tomatoes left. I'm low on vegetables right now because apparently I forgot to order them at the grocery store when I did my last order. So I do have to replenish on that. My protein for this meal is chicken. So I have shredded chicken right here in this bowl. So a lot of times what I'll do is I will just do the Instant Pot, throw some chicken breasts in there and shred it up and throw this bowl in the fridge. Super simple. Now I've got chicken on hand for whenever I need to just pull something out. So I'm gonna put my bowl on my scale and then I'll measure out my chicken portion in here. I made a homemade dressing for this as well. Oh, I love volume too, so this is like perfect for me. Perfection. Okay, so the dressing that I made is pretty much, this is a freebie and you can make this too. So I just put my spoon inside non-fat, make sure it's non-fat and plain Greek yogurt, okay? If it's like a tablespoon, count it as a freebie. It's very little calories. Then I added in just a touch of lemon juice. I'm not a measurer. I just throw things together usually when it comes to cooking. So I put in a little bit of lemon juice, salt, pepper, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and then I added in just a little bit of chicken broth to get it so it was just kind of to the consistency that I wanted. It didn't take much. So it tastes really good. I'll use this over my salad. Nice, creamy, very low calorie dressing there. Remember that your seasonings and stuff, they're free to use, okay? And then for the small amount of carbs that I do have, I'm going to use strawberries on my salad because who doesn't like strawberries? And when I'm weighing my strawberries, I'm not going to weigh the part that I don't eat. That's not fair because then you don't get as many. So I'm measuring these out. Now before I made my salad, I made candied almonds, which you can do almonds or pecans or whatever nut that you have in your plan or want or whatever. Maybe one more baby strawberry here. Boom. I'm like, no, I'm right on. I'm dead on. Well, that couldn't have been more perfect. So I chose almonds. Almonds are something that I have in my plan. And I candied them up. Some of them are stuck to the bowl here. Let's see if you can see that. Okay. I candied them up just by putting a little bit of monk fruit. This is 0-calorie sweetener. I put a little bit of this in my pan back here and put my almonds in with it. It turns to liquid pretty quick. Once it turns to liquid, be sure that you're stirring it, get it off that heat, and then preferably if you have like parchment paper, Just pour them out on the parchment paper, let them cool, and now you have candied nuts to put on top of your salad. Yum. So, give it a whirl. Let me know what you think. And this is kind of going, it's thinking outside of the box, right? So my plan here had, my half serving of fruit and my chicken and almonds. So with those three things, I was able to come up with this delicious salad. Because remember, veggies are free too. So reach out, let me know if you have any questions.